Hey, what's up, speakerphiles? Wellington here, and welcome to another sound battle where we let speakers speak for themselves. In the battlefield, today we have the JBL Charge 4 going up against the JBL Flip 5. Not so much of a difference. The only main differences between the two is the size. They're both running single drivers, both are mono speakers, and this one has JBL Party Boost, and this one has JBL Connect Plus, and which means the two cannot be paired together, so that's impossible because the JBL Party Boost is not backward compatible. Sad. Anyways, how do they compare sound-wise? As usual, I will be using a high-quality binaural microphone, so for the best experience, please use headphones. With that said, let's hear the speakers speak.
Do something crazy, we should try to run away. I'd like to do something crazy, we should try to run away.
And there you have it. Kind of like expected, the Charge 4 is louder than the JBL Flip 5, and the bass performance on the Charge 4 is also better than that of the JBL Flip 5. But those are the only main differences that I'm seeing between the two speakers. Everything else is pretty much the same. They have the same sound signature. They are both pretty balanced out pretty good between the highs, mids, and bass, so that's pretty good. But the only thing that is going to help you decide the two speakers, I feel like, is the size. If the Charge 4 will not fit while you're trying to keep it, Flip 5 will be your guy here. If you're looking for the loudest of the two, the Charge 4 will be your guy. If you're looking for the better bass performer, it will be the Charge 4. And the other thing to consider is maybe the price of the speakers. This is $150 and this one is typically around $100, so that's the other thing. But as far as sound, they both have some pretty good sound. The only negative thing about the Flip 5 is that it's not able to connect to your other older JBL speakers. So unless you're really into this, like this is your first speaker and you don't plan on getting any other speakers from JBL, like bigger speakers to connect it with, you will be fine with it. But if you're planning on buying other speakers from JBL, the rest of speakers have JBL Connect Plus. This is the only speaker with JBL Party Boost, so it will not be able to connect to it to any other speakers. So yes, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Gonna be working on other videos, so stay tuned for that. Leave me a like if you liked the video, dislike if you didn't like it, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.